Perched amidst a picturesque pine forest in a mountainous region 180 kilometers from São Paulo, Mororó House stands as a testament to thoughtful design and efficient construction. The region's notoriously low temperatures presented a unique challenge, prompting the architects to prioritize generous interior spaces that offered warmth and comfort during the colder months. The design concept revolved around creating a duality within a single continuous volume. One portion, housing the living room, bedrooms, and service areas, adopts an opaque facade, minimizing openings and maximizing energy efficiency. This block contrasts sharply with the transparent stretch dedicated to the heated pool and sauna, offering breathtaking views while maintaining a comfortable interior climate. The architects ingeniously employed a 65-meter extrusion of an iconic pitched roof house to define the overall volume try. This approach not only provided a strong visual identity but also facilitated efficient construction. To further enhance the connection between indoors and outdoors, an expansive wooden deck was incorporated, creating a sun-drenched solarium perfect for enjoying the warmer months. The transparent stretch, spanning 14 meters, presented a unique ventilation challenge. The architects meticulously designed the internal airflow to prevent condensation on the glass surfaces surrounding the heated pool, ensuring an unobstructed view and maintaining a comfortable environment. Contrary to the initial client desire to build on the highest point of the rugged site, the architects strategically chose to locate the house in the lowest part of the valley. This decision allowed the structure to be fully embraced by the surrounding forest, creating a harmonious and intimate relationship with the natural environment. The project emphasized speed and efficiency in construction. To achieve this, the architects incorporated industrialized solutions such as metal structures and steel-framed walls. While some elements were fabricated on site, the focus was on efficient assembly and minimizing construction time, despite the challenging site access. Despite the high rainfall in the region, the site remains remarkably clean. This is a testament to the careful consideration given to site drainage and the selection of durable, low-maintenance materials. Unlike traditional Brazilian construction practices, which often prioritize on-site fabrication, Mororó House embraced a more efficient approach. Components were prefabricated where possible, significantly reducing construction time and improving overall quality control. use of warm materials such as wood throughout the interior creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, reminiscent of traditional mountain chalets. This contributes to the overall sense of comfort and warmth, making the house an ideal retreat from the cold. In the opaque section, sliding doors were strategically placed to maximize the integration of indoor and outdoor spaces while minimizing heat loss. This careful consideration of fenestration played a crucial role in achieving excellent thermal performance and significantly reducing energy consumption. To further enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, the kitchen was designed to be fully integrated with the living areas. Large wooden sliding doors allow for seamless transitions, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. This strategic integration of the kitchen into the main living spaces not only creates a sense of openness and flow, but also establishes a central hub for daily life, fostering a strong sense of community within the home. Mororó House serves as a compelling example of how thoughtful design and efficient construction can create a harmonious and sustainable residence in a challenging environment. By prioritizing energy efficiency, embracing innovative construction techniques, and fostering a strong connection with the surrounding natural landscape, the architects have created a truly exceptional mountain retreat.